Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to use remote shooting on SONY ZV-E10. First, what you need to do is connect to your smartphone, so go to the third tab, go to smartphone connection, you need to have smartphone connection on, then connect to your smartphone. We already have a video for that on our channel, so you can look it up. So I'm just gonna click start, OK, and join. Now, once you're here, click remote shooting and look. I'm gonna take the camera just to make a photo. Yeah, you can see it from my phone. If I want to take a photo, I just click this button right here. And I took a photo. Yeah. If you want to take a video, just change the button and now you can record a video. Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.